In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a clickable newsletter in Constant Contact. To get started, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you are signed in, look for the Email tab in the main navigation area and click on it. This is where you will create and manage your email campaigns, including newsletters. After that, click Create Email. This will open the email creation area where you can choose the layout and design for your newsletter. At this stage, you will want to select a template that works well for a newsletter format. Choose one that fits the style and structure you want, since this will give you a solid starting point and make the rest of the setup much easier. Once you have selected your template, click Customize Template. This will take you into the email editor, where you can adjust the layout and add interactive elements. If your goal is to make part of the newsletter clickable, this is the section where that happens. Inside the editor, drag either a button block or an image block into your layout. A button is useful if you want a clear call to action, like sending readers to a page to learn more. An image block works well if you want a banner, graphic, or visual section of the newsletter to act as the clickable item. Place the block in the part of the layout where you want readers to interact. Next, click on the element you just added. This opens the settings for that specific button or image. In those settings, select the link icon. This is the tool that allows you to connect the element to a destination. When the link options appear, choose Web Page. This tells Constant Contact that you want the click to open a specific website or landing page. Then paste the destination URL into the field provided. Make sure the web address is correct because this is where your readers will be sent when they click the button or image. After you have added the link, click Insert. This applies the URL to the element and makes it clickable inside your newsletter. At this point, your interactive element is set up and ready to use. To finish, click Continue to either save your work or move ahead towards sending the email. This lets you keep your progress and prepare the newsletter for delivery when you are ready. That covers everything you need to know.